Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect make.com with WordPress. So first thing that you should do is you have to log into your make.com account, and on the other tab, log in to your WordPress account as well. So right here on WordPress, make sure that you have a plugin so that we can get the API of your WordPress website. Okay, so after getting your plugin, you're gonna go back to make.com, and then we are going to create a new scenario. So tap on the create scenario option at the top. That's right. And then after that, you just going to tap on this plus icon, and then you just have to search for WordPress. Okay, so select the first one, and then I just have to select the trigger. So we have watch post updated, create a post, or update a post. For example, create a post. Okay, and then next is we are going to create a connection. So right here, just have to give this connection a name, and then the WordPress REST API base URL. All right, so you can get that right here. So for example, I'm just going to paste this one. And then for the API, you can find the API key in your WordPress website. So if you have the Integramat connector plugin installed, so for example, assuming that we already have that, so just go to your website and then tap on these real estate option at the top and go to your plugins. Okay, so after adding the API key right here, you just have to, if you're using a self-signed certificate, you're required to provide a public certificate here for the connection to work, and you may copy or extract the .crt file right here. And then after that, you just have to save your changes, and then you just have to confirm your actions. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.